Thunderstorms, some severe, may impact parts of Australia's interior and east over the coming days, bringing severe weather impacts for a number of communities. Today's thunderstorm forecast map shows that storms are possible across broad parts of Central Australia and the east, as indicated by these green areas on the map here. The yellow areas show where severe storms are possible. Today, severe storms are possible for parts of Western Australia's interior, southwest parts of the Northern Territory, and much of South Australia, including the Northwest Pastoral District and northern parts of the Eyre Peninsula. In the east, severe storms are possible for large parts of southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales. Now, any severe storms may bring heavy rainfall that could lead to flash flooding, large hail, or damaging winds. Communities right across these areas should keep a close eye on the Bureau's website through the course of today in case we do need to issue any warnings for storms in these areas. Now, heavy rainfall can quickly lead to flash flooding as a lot of rain falls in a short space of time and our drainage systems become overwhelmed. Through the interior of the country as well, this could lead to outback highways becoming muddy or impassable, potentially impacting access routes. We may also see fallen trees or branches thanks to strong winds with storms, as well as some minor damage to cars or property from the winds, rain or hail that is possible with severe storms today. Our severe storm area is likely across parts of northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland, particularly across the northwest slopes and plains of New South Wales and southern parts of the Darling Downs. Now, in this area, indicated in red, we are most likely to see those severe storms today, potentially bringing heavy rainfall or large hail. Communities in these areas have already seen a lot of thunderstorm activity across the past few days and even last week. But the risk is nevertheless there today, so communities should once again be on alert for that potential through the course of this afternoon and evening. Now, what's driving this storm activity? We've got a couple of low pressure troughs, one lying through central parts of the continent and another lying through Queensland, dragging down moisture and generating these unstable conditions, particularly through central parts of Australia and the east. Through the course of today, we're going to see fairly patchy showers with those thunderstorms, but rainfall will be mostly concentrated through those eastern parts of the continent. In fact, if I look at rainfall totals to the end of today, we can see that they're fairly hit and miss through those inland parts of Australia, including parts of South Australia. They're only really likely to be moderate where those storms move directly overhead. In the east, however, we're a little bit more likely to see widespread moderate falls, although the higher falls will still be tied to where those storms develop, particularly with the risk of heavy rain this afternoon. Taking a look at tomorrow's thunderstorm map now, we can see that the storm areas grow even more widespread across much of central Australia and the east. In fact, all areas from southern Queensland down to southern Victoria could see a thunderstorm through the course of tomorrow. That includes areas like Melbourne or Sydney, although in these capitals we are more likely just to see isolated, non-severe storms through tomorrow. Our severe thunderstorm areas are once again focused through those interior parts of the continent and through southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales, with heavy rain, large hail and damaging winds once again a risk. We can see that that's being driven by our low pressure troughs moving into the eastern states, really concentrating moisture and unsettled conditions through those eastern areas. As we roll through into Wednesday, we will continue to see some showers and storms through eastern parts of the country, starting to see an easing in conditions across South Australia and Central Australia. By the time we move into Wednesday evening and Thursday though, we're likely to see much more settled conditions extending across the southeast states, with the risk of showers and storms on Thursday contracting to northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland. Now, this situation is continuing to unfold today and will continue to do so over the next few days, so it is essential to stay up to date via the Bureau's website, social media and the BOM weather app. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next update.